Morning, folks. NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear here with a quick weather briefing for you as we start off this Wednesday, October 14th, 2015. Time now 8:12 a.m. Getting a look at the NTV Skycam overlooking downtown St. John's this morning. We can see that we do have some breaks of blue sky there, but that's not the case across all of the island or the Avalon this morning for that matter. Check out this webcam from Kenmount Road. You can see it's very foggy there, kind of on the central or western side of town. On the southern shore, it's also foggy this morning. Current webcam from Trepassey showing it's almost thick like pea soup down that way. So if you're heading up from the southern shore today, certainly be aware of the fog, and I think that may stick with us much of the day as winds are southerly or southwesterly, and the flow is a very moist one. So it looks like southern areas of the southern shore and southern coast may kind of stay in the fog through today. In Gander, also looking a little bit foggy this morning as we head out towards central Newfoundland. In Corner Brook, not looking too bad, but it certainly is a little overcast. More than likely some showers will continue on the west coast through much of the day today. Fog on the south coast in Port aux Basques right now. You can see not quite as thick as it was in Trepassey, but it is certainly still foggy. And again, fog patches on the south coast, southern shore, Burin Peninsula, a good bet through most of the day. Up into Labrador, sun not quite up yet in Wabush, but it looks like it's a wet start to the morning. Same thing as we look up into Goose Bay. So far as temperatures go across the island this morning, we are starting off on the milder side of things. Currently 15 degrees in St. John, 16 in Rocky Harbor, Stephenville looking at 15 and 13 degrees in Gander. Across the big land this morning, temperatures are generally in the upper single numbers to lower teens. Satellite and radar imagery from across Newfoundland showing that we did have some rain working its way across the Avalon Peninsula earlier this morning. That has since ended, but we are seeing a couple of stray showers around, and the shower chances will persist this morning. They should get less widespread as the afternoon goes on, except along the south coast and the west coast, where I think shower chances will generally linger much of the day. I think much of central and eastern Newfoundland away from the southern shorelines will actually see potentially a bit of sunshine today. Wider picture, the satellite and radar showing the bigger picture is essentially an area of low pressure currently cutting into Labrador. Let's see if I can draw that a little better. Area of low pressure currently working its way into Labrador. Kind of cold front looks like it's just, the cold front's probably, let's try that again. I think the low's back in here and the cold front's probably something like that. All right. So what's going to happen today? This is such a lovely drawing, like a 5-year-old. Pardon me. That low's going to work its way closer to Labrador. That will keep the showers on the go across the big land today. While ahead of the cold front, we'll see warm southerlies across the island and across southeastern Labrador, which will bring a nice, warm, almost summer-like day to Newfoundland and Labrador as we are kind of ahead of this low, and that's going to help to usher in some of that warmer air. So that's kind of the weather pattern for today so far as the overall forecast goes. Let's see. There's the forecast for today. We can see warm on the island, some sun by this afternoon. Temperatures near 20 for west coast, central, east coast. A little bit cooler on the southern shore, southern facing shorelines, and up into Labrador today. We see the showers persisting in Lab West. We will see temperatures near 10 today in the morning, but by evening temperatures will actually fall closer to 3 or 4, and we'll see the rain showers change on over to flurries, and it looks like flurries will persist much of tomorrow across the western part of the big land. So I hope this gave you a bit of an idea as to what we can expect for our Wednesday. Have a great day, and I will see you on social media. Meteorologist Eddie Shear Facebook, at Eddie Shear Twitter, Eddie Shear on Google+, Eddie Shear on Instagram. And you can also see me on NTV on First Edition between 5:30 and 6, and the News Hour between 6 and 7. Have a great day.